Okay, good afternoon, everyone. This is Wednesday, May the 24th at Kyushu Institute of Technology's Iizuka campus, class number 6. Okay, so let's take a look at what we are going to do today. So first, you have your textbook assignment answers, which are the answers from the textbook homework that you did last week. Please make sure that you download these so that you can get ready in the best way for the midterm test. Well, the midterm test itself, I'm going to be talking about probably a lot more next week, because next week is the 7th week and the midterm test, as you can see here, is on the 8th week. Now, with the midterm test, what you're going to need are headphones, because there's a listening section to the midterm test. Make sure your headphones are working. Make sure that they're working with your computer. Make sure your computer has good batteries. And just in case, please bring your charger, so that then if there's a problem, you can go next to the wall and plug in, because I've had students have that problem before. They suddenly realize that their battery is down to 5% and they had to plug in. Or one student suddenly in the test, his battery went bad. So make sure your battery is good. Make sure you bring your charger. A lot of the questions on the midterm test are very similar to the vocabulary quizzes, to the reading quizzes. And next week, I'll give you a grammar quiz. And the grammar quiz is actually very simple. A lot of the sentences that we've studied, I want you to make sure that you understand those sentences. And those are the sentences from the homework from the homework and the answers that you will find therein, and also the Quizlet material. So the Quizlet material itself is the entire Quizlet that you'll be using for Unit 4, as well as sometimes the conversation material itself, more so after the midterm test. But the Quizlet material, all the Quizlet material I gave you in the first 8 weeks, the homework assignments, and the reading quizzes and the vocabulary quizzes, that's all going to be on the midterm test. Mostly, make sure that you bring your headphones, because we're all going to be in the room together and you cannot use your speakers. Okay, so to get back to what we are doing today, these are your textbook assignments. Very soon, we're going to be doing Quizlets, so please make sure that you have that available on your smartphone, so then we can move around. And this week as well, too, you have a reflection on this time on shadow talking. What we do sometimes for a warm-up, we'll do Quizlets. Sometimes for a warm-up, we'll do shadow talking. And I want to get your opinion on shadow talking. Specifically, as the questions say right here, what do you think? Does it help you? It doesn't help you? What is difficult for you? Is it difficult for you? Maybe it's easy for you. Please answer those 2 questions and make sure you give me that by tonight at 11 p.m. Okay? If you don't have any more questions, if you have any questions, you can always contact me at jdmcruz@gmail.com right there. Or you can come talk to me after class. Thanks very much, everyone. Let's have a good class.